Blocking phone numbers or contacts on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or Plus is really easy. Let's see how you can block and unblock them in the quickest way possible. So if you're getting annoying or unknown calls and want to block them, so first you have to open the phone app on your device. So then go to Recents tab and find the number that's bothering you. Then tap on the number and open the info page, and at the bottom you will see the block option. Just tap on it and confirm the prompt. That number will now be blocked, but if you want to block someone from your contact, open the Samsung Contact app and select the contact you want to block, tap the info button, then open the three-dot menu and choose block contact. Now confirm it and that contact will be blocked. Now if you want to see or manage your blocked numbers, just go back to your phone app, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and open settings. Here you will find blocked numbers where all the numbers you blocked will appear. And from this page, you can also add more numbers manually or enable block calls from unknown numbers. And if you want to unblock someone, just tap the minus icon next to the number. And if you want to unblock all of the contact at once, just tap the three-dot menu in the top right and hit on unblock all contacts. Now you have to confirm the process, and that's it. This is how you can block and unblock phone numbers or contacts on your new Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Thanks for watching.